want you, baby. You know that I need you, and you know that I love you. Just say it. Am I giving enough? Is it all it should be? Ooh, when the water gets rough, will you still swim with me? So afraid to come close. It may be too soon, it may be too much for you to consume. And I wanna know if I can live inside your world. And I wanna know if I can give it to you, girl. You know that I want you to say it. You know that I need to say it. You know that I love you, say it. Our love just goes on and on and on. You know that I want you to say it. You know that I need to say it. You know that I love you, say it. My love just goes on and on and on. I give you all that you need. There's no better place you can be. And I know that in time you will believe me. So please hold out your hand and let's just change these golden bands. 'Cause I want you in my life. I want you to be my wife. I wanna know if I can live inside your world. And I wanna know if I can give it to you, girl. You know that I want you to say it. You know that I need to say it. You know that I say it. My love just goes on and on and on and on. Just goes on and on and on and on. My girl, you're so special. I wanna give it all to you, loving you on and on. My girl, you're so special. I wanna give it all to you, loving you on and on. Say, know that I love you, say, love just goes on and on and on. You know that I want you to say, know that I want you to say, know that I need to say, know that I need to say, know that I love you, say, know that I love you, say, love just goes on and on and on.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your life. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay in the moment. of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Even when you're gone, somehow you come along just like a flower poking through the sidewalk crack. And just like that, you steal away the rain. And just like that, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Don't know how I live without you, 'cause every time that I get around you, I see the best of me inside your eyes. You make me smile. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Oh, you make me smile. Oh, you make me smile.
Tatanong ang isip, di raw maintindihan kung anong nararamdaman. Dapat mong malaman, sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang ang nag-iisa. Pangamba, dapat ba isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita
na walang hanggan, ang siyang nais kong makamtan. Ngayon ay narito ako, handang umibig sa iyo na walang katapusan. Pangamba, dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan, kahit kailan di kita pababayaan, kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Kung ikaw ay nawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin ba kaya umibig ka muli. Kahit na ano pa ang mangyari, di maaring ipagpalit. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa muli. Pabayaan, hindi magbabago kahit kailan.
Anyway, there's an angel contemplate my friend. To me down the places where we go, where we be at all. 'Cause Guy Hampton found salvation, lips the wind and fall. So when I lie in my bed, from starting through my head, and I'm feeling I love is dead. I love it, angels is dead, and food and love and affection. Where do I don't want? Where do I run for? Wherever even take me, alone the night will break me. Where the cost come, she ran for me. I love the angels just take. Let her feel it here, and the pain melt blasphemy grows, to be spragged to my bones, and live out this dance. I love it, angels is dead. And you and oh, she offers me direction. It all in our never fiction. Where did I never won? And tell the one and for ever read me, sake me. I don't want life from break me. When the calls come, she forsake me. However, angels is dead. She won't forsake me. Out of it, angels is dead.
Sa'yo, ang gusto ko naman kita pag hindi ka masaya. Pupuhatin kita pag nirayuma ka na. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ipipili ng balon pag mahinang tuhod. Ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman. Mahigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo ng 3,001. Loves na loves pa rin kita kahit pumi-pumi ka na. Para sa'kin ikaw ang pinakapoging papa. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. At nangako sa'yo pag sinagot mong oo, iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang kasama kang tumanda.
Macy and Vince, congratulations and best wishes sa inyo. Enjoy life together.
Hi to Macy and Vince. Nako, eto na ang araw na pinaka-iintay ninyong dalawa, ang inyong wedding day. Just pray kung ano man yung hinaing sa buhay, kung ano man yung mga wishes niyo for each other, just pray for it. Sabi nga ng nanay ko, ito lagi ko itong tinatandaan na ang wedding daw, ang pagpapakasal daw, hindi naman daw yan. Parang kanin na pag sinubo mo, kaya mo iluwa ka agad. I know you both are ready, emotionally, physically, mentally, financially. So, alam niyo ang pinapasok niyo at alam ko na magiging masaya kayo sa inyong wedding day. Congratulations to both of you and God bless you.
Happy wedding sa inyo, Macy and Vince. Sana magtagal kayo and best wishes and maging masaya kayo lagi sa mga gagawin niyo sa buhay niyo. And ayun, magpakabait kayo sa isa't isa. Happy wedding. Hey, Macy and Vince. Congratulations sa kasal nyo. Hope for many years to come and many little cute babies na sana din ako ninong. And this song is for you. This is of course for the guy who calls his wife for the first time. Hey, I just met you. This is crazy. Here's my number. Call me maybe. Just try to look right at you, baby. Here's my number. Call me maybe.
Hey Macy and Vince, congratulations on your special day.
Macy and Vince, balita ko kinasal daw ko. Congratulations, best wishes, and make God the center of your relationship.
Macy and Vince, happy wedding, guys. Congrats.
Happy wedding day, Macy and Vince. Sana maraming blessings na dumating habang after niyo kasal at bago kayo kasal. Be strong. More blessings.
Hi, Macy and Vince. Congratulations and best wishes. Congratulations, Macy and Vince. Happy wedding. Sana pagpatuloy nyo yan, ha. Huwag kayong mag-aaway.
Hi Macy, hi Vince. Gusto ko nga sabihin na congratulations. All my best wishes sa inyo. Sana forever na talaga to. And dapat forever lang talaga yan. So good luck guys. God bless and more power. Congrats.
Hi Ate Macy and Kuya Vince. Congratulations po sa inyo at the best wishes po. God bless you po.
Hi Macy and Vince. Wow, you're married. Congratulations, and I wish you all the best in your life together. Have a beautiful and love-filled life. Okay? Hi Macy and Vince. Congratulations and God bless you.
Hello, Macy and Vince. Congratulations and my best wishes sa inyo. Congratulations sa bagong kasal. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, Macy and Vince. Congratulations and good luck. Wish you all the best.
Macy and Vince, just want to greet you. Congratulations sa wedding ninyo. Sana magsama kayo forever. Yan, I'll see you soon.
Congrats, Macy and Vince. Best wishes for the both of you. Love, love, love.
Congratulations, Macy and Vince. Take care.
Macy and Vince, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Hi, Macy and Vince. Congratulations. I wish you all the best.
Congratulations, Macy and Vince.
Macy and Vince, you're getting wedded today, so I wish you all everything in the world, and I hope it lasts forever.
Hello, Macy and Vince. Congratulations sa inyo. Newlyweds. I wish you a very long at isang masaya marriage. At sana magkaroon kayo ng maraming anak at malaking pamilya. God bless. Macy and Vince, I heard about your wedding. Congratulations. So happy for you guys, and wish you all the best. Keep each other happy, and God bless you both. Congrats.
Hi, Macy and Vince. This is Viola. I just want to congratulate you on your wedding. May have a blessed union and always put God in the center of the relationship. Congratulations, guys.
Alright. To Macy and Vince, congratulations. Salamat sa iyong support. Best wishes.
Found love outside this country. Alam namin yung papasukin mo.
Dahil kami mga daddy na
Don't worry. Masaya yan.
masaya. Mahirap na masaya. Sa lahat ng supporters namin sa Dubai, mga friends mo dyan, again, kayo magsasawa mag-support. Salamat. Maraming salamat po. Best wishes. Congratulations again. God bless you.
Hello po, Ate Macy and Kuya Vince. Best wishes po. Mag-pray po kayo na mag-pray na magtagal lang inyong pagsasama. Sana magkaroon kayo ng masayang pamilya. And yun po, always make sure na God is the center of your relationship to make your love stronger. Right? Yun po. So you could give me wings to fly. And catch me if I fall. Pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them all. I couldn't ask for more. Your love is the greatest gift of all. Love.
Macy and Vince, congratulations on your wedding. I hope na this will be the start of a very long and fruitful relationship for both of you guys. And I hope that lahat ng dreams niyo for your family would come true. God bless you always and congratulations.
Hi, Macy and Vince. Congratulations and best wishes.
Hello, Macy and Vincy. Kumusta na po kayo? I heard you guys are getting married soon, so I'm here to wish you all the good luck for you guys, happiness, love, all the best for you guys. Take care and God bless.
Macy and Vince, congratulations. Welcome to this beautiful journey of love. Hi, Macy and Vince, and congratulations para sa kasal nyo dito sa September ngayon. I'm sure excited na kayo at excited na kayo magkaroon ng pamilya. So there, congratulations. Bye.
Macy and Vince, congratulations. God bless you.